In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a master timeline in Asana. A master timeline gives you a clear visual plan of your biggest initiatives, key milestones, and how work connects across teams. By the end, you'll have a single place to see what's happening, when it's due, and how each piece depends on the others. Start by opening Asana and heading to your home screen. From here, look for the plus icon that lets you add new work. Click it and choose New Project. When the project creation window opens, select Blank Project. Templates are great for repeatable processes, but for a master timeline, a blank project keeps things clean and tailored to your specific goals. Give your project a clear, recognizable name so everyone instantly knows what it represents. Something like Company Master Timeline or Q3 Initiative Roadmap. Good naming helps with search and reduces confusion later. Once you've named it, click Continue, then Create Project. Asana will spin up your new space and drop you into the project. Now it's time to add the key items you want to track. Click Add Task and start listing your major initiatives, phases, or milestones. Keep these high level. Think of each task as a bar on your master timeline rather than a long checklist. You can add more detail inside each task later if you need it, but the goal right now is to capture the big picture. To turn your list into a real timeline, use Asana's timeline view. If you're looking at a list, switch to the Timeline tab in the project header. You'll see your tasks ready to be scheduled. Click and drag a task onto the calendar to set its start and end dates. You can stretch the edges of each bar to represent duration, or move the entire bar to shift the schedule. This makes it easy to visualize when work begins, how long it will take, and whether anything overlaps. To show how work depends on other work, draw dependency lines. Hover over a taskbar until you see the connector dot, then drag it to the task that should come next. This tells your team, for example, that task B can't start until task A finishes. As you connect tasks, you create a realistic flow that helps prevent bottlenecks. Use the zoom controls to view months or weeks, and scan for conflicts or gaps. Asana saves changes automatically, so as you drag, drop, and connect, your master timeline stays up to date. That's it. Your high-level plan is now visual, connected, and ready to share.